Hi, I'm Steve Selig, the founder of fit.test, and in this short video I'm going to take you through how I can use the app to conduct both submaximal and maximal exercise testing for different clients for different purposes, and to use these to estimate aerobic fitness, and then to be able to individually prescribe exercise plans from these exercise test results. So we'll take you to the first couple of scenarios first. And so this is almost my bread and butter test, where I will do a submaximal exercise test on a client because they really are only wanting to be fit and healthy. And so we don't necessarily need to go all the way up to VO2 peak. But as I will show you on the next slide, you certainly can go to VO2 peak. But in this scenario, we stopped short of VO2 peak because this particular client only wanted a low to moderate intensity exercise plan. And so by having all of these exercise intensities here, we clearly have a range of exercise intensities for programming at low and moderate intensity for those clients who just want to be healthy and moderately fit. Now, in the second scenario over here on the right, what we've got here is we've conducted a similar test and stopped well below VO2 peak. But this particular client wanted a high intensity exercise plan as well as moderate intensities. And so we haven't tested at all of the levels of intensity for which we wish to program at. So what we would do then, because the testing is so easy, I would just repeat this exercise test at another time, because it just can be part of a training session, for example. It's that easy. And that would allow us to get good coverage across all of the desired range of exercise intensities for programming this particular client for a high intensity program, which might include high intensity interval training. The app fit.test is beautifully set up to cater for all of these examples. In the third example, we've actually conducted a VO2 peak test, stopped at maximal exercise intensity, but again using an incremental or graded exercise approach. So we've got a wide range of exercise intensities for programming this person, and this could be for a high intensity training program or a high intensity interval training program along those lines. So this would give us the full range of exercise intensities for which to program this person. And again, fit.test is beautifully set up to do this kind of exercise test, leading into an individualized program. In the fourth example here, this is very much a clinical application. And so what I'm talking to here are the clinical exercise physiologists who may be looking at this video. And so what we've done here is we've proceeded along for several exercise intensities, but stopped at the appearance of an adverse sign or symptoms here, and instead of proceeding all the way up to where a cardiologist would stop. So me as a clinical exercise physiologist would stop here, and I would then consult with the primary care medical practitioner in terms of where we go next, if there's information that's needed for diagnoses or treatments that can be fed back to the primary care medical practitioner. But in the meantime, and importantly, I can prescribe exercise for these submaximal levels of exercise where we know the exercise intensities are safe. So you can still prescribe exercise even in people who have had adverse signs or symptoms, provided you have training as a clinical exercise professional. So what I want to do with my app is to really guide all of my subscribers to really raise the standards of their exercise services in aerobic exercise testing and programming, so that they can provide a premium service for their clients. If I can get all of my subscribers to lift the quality of their exercise services, I will be really happy with my app. So you can contact me at info@myfittest.com.au. And finally, I just want to wish you well. Thank you for looking at this short video, and please get back to me if you have any queries or questions about how to use the app fit test. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye.